Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Your area has Airtel 5G coverage and your phone accepts 5G bands. Once done, confirm you have a 5G-capable SIM or request an eSIM replacement from Airtel. This matters because older SIMs block 5G. Then, log into the Airtel Thanks app or website to view available unlimited 5G plans. Make sure your account is active and not barred for unpaid bills. These first actions unlock the subscription options you need next. You now pick the right unlimited plan, compare monthly price, any speed caps, and fair use policies so you avoid surprises. Once chosen, select it in the Airtel Thanks app or at a store. Complete KYC if required because activation depends on verified identity. After payment, request immediate 5G activation and reboot the phone. Make sure network mode is set to 5G/auto. If the app shows pending, allow up to a few minutes for provisioning before testing speeds. You finish by verifying service. Run a speed test, confirm the 5G icon appears, and test streaming to ensure unlimited behavior matches plan claims. If you don't see 5G, reinsert the SIM, toggle airplane mode, and reboot. Next, check for carrier settings or firmware updates because provisioning often needs them. If problems persist, contact Airtel support and provide your SIM number and plan purchase details so they can reprovision or escalate. This usually resolves lingering activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.